Why does your scanner show the P2125 engine code? What does it mean? P2125 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle or pedal position sensor or switch E circuit. This engine code indicates that this diagnostic trouble code is triggered by your vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, when it detects a fault in the sensor circuit that monitors the position of the gas pedal. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty sensor, wiring issues, throttle actuator control motor, powertrain control module PCM, poor ground connection. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Kia, Chevrolet, and Pontiac models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.